In this video, we are going to create ball bearing. Ball bearings are essential components that reduce friction and support rotational movement. You can refer to the provided drawing, which includes detailed views and dimensions necessary for creating this model. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Now let's start designing. Invoke new design file. Check your dimensions to mm. Invoke create sketch. Select front plane. From create, take center point arc. And from origin, draw an arc. OK. The radius of the arc should be 3. Now connecting this, we'll draw a line. To make the sketch fully defined, we'll give vertical constraint. OK. Take solid, revolve feature, profile is already selected, axis select the center line. OK. So this is a simple component and we have finished creating the ball bearing.